Meet Dr. William Davis, a renowned medical expert and the man behind the groundbreaking Wheat Belly and Super Gut books. Dr. Davis is not just a doctor, but a pioneer in the realm of health and nutrition. His vast medical background, combined with his unique approach to health, has led to game-changing discussions on platforms like the Dr. Oz Show. It was here that his Wheat Belly book, a revolutionary take on nutrition, truly resonated with the world, transforming the way we think about food and health. Today, we delve into Dr. Davis's insights on the connection between gut health and skin conditions. Dr. Davis highlights an often overlooked connection, the gut-skin axis. This is the concept that your skin's health is influenced by what's going on inside your body, particularly in your gut. Let's break this down. The state of your metabolic health, how your body manages insulin, and the level of inflammation in your body can all impact the quality of your skin. It's a domino effect. Now let's delve deeper into the gut. Your gut houses an intricate ecosystem known as the intestinal microbiome. This community of microorganisms plays a vital role in your overall health, including that of your skin. But the story doesn't end here. The health of your intestinal lining, or the intestinal barrier, is equally important. Picture it as a gatekeeper, keeping the bad stuff out and letting the good stuff in. When this lining is compromised, it can lead to a host of issues, including skin inflammation. So, if you've been battling persistent skin issues, your gut might be the culprit. And if you're looking for radiant skin, it's time to pay attention to your gut health. So, it turns out the secret to radiant skin might just be a healthy gut. Now, what happens when our gut health is compromised? Let's explore the concept of small intestinal bacterial overgrowth, or SIBO. When the balance of bacteria in our small intestine gets thrown off, we can experience a condition called SIBO. This overgrowth of bacteria can lead to a condition known as endotoxemia, which is the presence of toxins in the blood. These toxins can trigger inflammation, not just within our gut, but also in our skin. Now let's talk about skin rashes such as psoriasis. You might be surprised to learn that these skin conditions are often associated with disruptions of our GI microbiome. Yes, that's right. The health of our skin is deeply connected to the health of our gut. When harmful bacteria overtake the beneficial ones in our gut, it can lead to a number of skin conditions, including psoriasis, eczema, and rosacea. So, it's not just about what we put on our skin, but what's happening inside our bodies. The integrity of our gut health, including the health of bacteria like Lactobacillus rhodori, plays a crucial role in maintaining our skin health. As we can see, an imbalance in our gut can manifest itself in various skin conditions. So, how can we ensure a healthy gut and, in turn, healthy skin? The answer might lie in probiotics. You see, are beneficial bacteria that populate our gut, aiding in digestion and contributing to our overall health. They have a significant impact on skin conditions like rashes. Two such probiotics, Leuconostoc mesenteroids and various species of Lactobacillus, have shown promise in mitigating such skin issues. But the story doesn't end with probiotics. There's a particular bacterium, a keystone species called Lactobacillus rhodori, that plays a crucial role in maintaining our skin's health. Bacterium is like the conductor of an orchestra, directing and balancing the rest of our gut microbiome. This species dwindles, it can lead to deteriorating skin health. What's the takeaway here? It's that our skin's health is not just about what we put on it, intimately connected to our gut's health, which in turn is influenced by our diet, lifestyle, and yes, our microbiome. The path to healthy skin, then, seems to be through a healthy gut with the help of probiotics and a balanced microbiome. In a nutshell, Dr. Davis reminds us that our skin is a reflection of our gut's health. He underscores the significance of the gut-skin axis, illustrating how skin conditions like psoriasis, rosacea, and eczema are often linked to systemic diseases. Dr. Davis also highlights the role of small intestinal bacterial overgrowth, or SIBO, explaining how it can lead to endotoxemia and skin inflammation. He advocates for the power of probiotics, particularly Leuconostoc mesenteroids and Lactobacillus species, and emphasizes the importance of the keystone species, Lactobacillus rhodori, for maintaining skin health. Next time you think about skin health, remember to consider what's happening inside your gut. After all, as Dr. Davis suggests, beauty truly is more than skin deep. Before we wrap up, we want to remind you that your journey to health doesn't have to be a solo endeavor. If you found today's video informative, we encourage you to like and share it with your friends and family. Maybe they too are seeking remedies for their health concerns or simply want to learn more about maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Don't forget to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts on the gut-skin axis, SIBO, the power of probiotics, or any other health topics you're curious about. Our community is a space for learning and sharing, and your insights can help others on their health journey. Lastly, if you haven't already, please subscribe to Remedy Seeker. By subscribing, you'll ensure you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. We delve into a variety of health topics, from the latest research to timeless natural remedies. Remember, Lactobacillus rhodori and other probiotics can be powerful tools in your journey. And remember, when it comes to health, knowledge is power. So let's continue to learn and grow together with Remedy Seeker. Stay tuned for our next video, and until then, keep seeking remedies for a healthier, happier life.